Guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today I'm going to present you with a very special helmet. So this is special because first of all it's the last acquisition that I've made in terms of motorbike, and actually this helmet came with the motorbike. So I bought it from a collector, a fanatic collector just like as I am, and in this particular case I bought a super limited edition 998S model, so Ducati series, so from the legacy of the 916. But in this one in particular is not just a 998S, this one is a Bostrom edition, so extremely limited edition and extremely striking fixes. So let's have a look at the helmet, and here it is. So it's a Swami helmet, and this is the one that has been used in order to reproduce the graphics, as you can see on the side. So here we have the white stars on the blue background, a bit of reminiscent of the American flag. So Ben Bostrom was an American pilot, World Superbike Series and American Superbike Series, and he actually, thanks to his style, his character, his coolness, and thanks to his aggressive riding, and obviously for the battles that he has been having with all of the World Superbike pilots at the very top, he actually became extremely popular, to such a point that Ducati decided to produce a limited edition 998, which is the one that I acquired, and I'm extremely grateful and proud to have such a bike. And it came with the helmet, so it came with a painting, it came with the limited edition plate, so I'm extremely happy with the purchase, extremely fanatic type of collection purchase. So, and here we have the helmet. So I was not really planning to get the helmet. Actually, it's quite rare. It's not so easy to find a helmet like this, and I was extremely lucky actually to get it, and here it is, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope that you know Ben Bostrom, although he didn't win the World Superbike Series, and although he has not been very long in the World Superbike, but nevertheless for the Ducati fans I'm sure that you guys remember him, and for the people who don't know him I strongly recommend you to watch clips on YouTube. He's an extremely cool character, and certainly you will enjoy the races where he was near the front. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.